What's up, everybody? My name is Alfred Presents, coming at you with another video, and I'm playing a game. It's called Willyoupressthebutton.com. So it just basically asks you questions, and then there's a cause to it, and if you agree with that, you press the button. If you don't, press I will not press the button. So let's get into it right now. Everything you ever wanted in life will come true for you, but you must give up the internet and cell phone. Right, I just want to hit at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm supposed to do that if I don't have a cell phone, so nah, or a camera or nothing. You may now save lives with just your touch at a cost of a week of your life. You are only able to use it on strangers. I don't matter. But I'm a people person, so it wouldn't matter. Dang it. You can eat whatever you want and not get fat. You can never watch porn recipes again. Yeah, I don't do those things. It's nasty. So that part doesn't really matter. It was funny. I was like, I already eat whatever I want to get fat. I never touch somebody, never. Sorry, guys. Alright, next one. You get the $1 million, but you must you must play a skeleton. Yeah. I go for this. I go for the face. I can do this. It's not that hard. Just take out the legs. Dude, I do the moonwalk on the Michael Jackson style. You can pause time at will, but you can't move when it's paused and your bladder empties. Oh. You can drink to any time and any place in existence, but it's a one-way trip. All right. You get to be in a relationship with a fictional character of your choice, but your family believes you to be perverted and insane for choosing a fictional character. Nah, I don't want my friends and family think I'm insane. You did not press the button. 66 people have pressed the button while 34% did not. Tragic. You become a millionaire for the rest of your life, but you will always look ugly and have permanent body odor. I want the girls to think I smell good, so I get girls already. So I will not press the button. It don't matter, kid. Don't matter, kid. Don't matter, kid. Cause I've been out here getting this paper. I'm reading. I'm starting reading the comments. So I'd be the doctor. You will have a amazing memory and never forgetting anything. But any horrific events you have seen will be relieved every night in vivid nightmares. I'm not gonna press the button. That's scary. That's scary. It's scary. It's really scary. Let's see. Sorry, my connection's horrible. Sorry, guys. Never change.